Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of feeling like you're stuck in a heat trap with no escape from the sweltering temperatures? Well, I've got the solution for you, and it's called the Honeywell Turboforce Air Circulator. This powerful little fan is a total game changer when it comes to keeping you cool and comfortable, and the best part is, it's incredibly portable and can be placed just about anywhere. You can feel the power of this small floor or desk fan from up to 25 feet away, and with its aerodynamic turbo design, you'll be amazed at how much air it can move. One of the things I love about this fan is that it's 25% quieter than comparable fans, which makes it perfect for bedrooms or home offices where you need to concentrate. It's also got 3 speeds and a 90 degrees pivoting adjustable head, so you can customize your cooling to however you like. Plus, with its smart tech, you can give your air conditioner a break and reduce your energy consumption and costs. And don't just take my word for it, the Honeywell Turboforce Air Circulator is a well-reviewed and popular choice among customers who are looking for a reliable and effective way to stay cool. I've used this fan in my own home, and I can attest to its effectiveness. On a hot summer day, it's amazing how much of a difference it can make, providing a cool breeze that's perfect for relaxing. And because it's so small and lightweight, you can easily move it from room to room, or even take it with you on the go. Whether you're looking to cool down a small to medium-sized room, or just need a little extra airflow, this fan is the perfect solution. So why not give it a try and see for yourself why it's a top choice among fans? You won't be disappointed. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.